Welcome back to another episode of Culture Shook. I'm Brad.
I'm Tianna. 我来了美国那么久，发现美国人其实很喜欢发一些很奇怪的声音，我从来都没有听过的，然后觉得蛮好笑，也蛮奇怪的。所以今天呢，我们想要分享美国人到底会发出什么奇怪的声音呢？来，我们开始吧。
Okay, so together we picked some weird ones, some weird noises that I know are weird that I say. And the first one is when an American person says, Weee! I never thought this was weird.
你们觉得这个是什么声音？猜一下，真的。
So Weee, I feel like Weee it's almost like it's an expression of excitement when you're doing something super exciting or even daring. So the first thing I think of with Weee is roller coaster. You go up the roller coaster, and then when you go down the hill, you go Weee! But at the same time, I'm like, I don't actually say that, but that's definitely what I think of.
But wait, I thought it's mean like when you're flying or something. You would say Wee.
Yeah, that's like a daring thing that you're doing. Like, Wee!
所以第一次我听到这个声音是我在一个国中的学校，然后那些学生在看一个影片，那个影片里面就是关于功夫，然后那些学生就是在看他们怎么飞上天空，然后打起来这样子。所以当那个人飞上天的时候，开始打的时候呢，所有学生都一起 Wee！我所以不得，我觉得很好笑，因为我觉得没有人会用 we 在亚洲，
我们都会用 we. But okay, so here's my question for you. Have you ever started to say that since you've been here?
I think because it's funny, but that's why I would say it. But
so you're making fun of us.
But I think it's funny.
Again,
I will use it.
I don't say it, but little kids say it, and your story was proof of that.
Yeah.
Weird. Okay.
他们是国中啊，好不好？
How old is 国中？
他们是
Oh, the middle
12岁
school.
吧？对。
So that's the first one. The second one, again, is something that I know exists and I've heard before, but I don't think I've ever said this, and I definitely don't often hear this. But it's something that I think all Americans know, and it's Yowza. Yowza.
从来没有听过。
So my understanding of Yowza is it's like, whoa, like wow. Or even like maybe you're doing a game show and the person says, you just won 500 points. Yowza. So
what about if someone bought a new car, like a super expensive fancy car, and then you were like, ooh, Yowza, like that.
I'm thinking about it. I feel like after thinking about it a little bit, I'm getting an idea of that. It's not necessarily like wow, but it's like wow, that's impressive, or even wow, I'm impressed by that thing.
Yeah, I'm impressed by the fancy car.
Yeah, I guess I could see that. I wouldn't ever use that in that context because I never use that word, but I feel like yes, it could be used like that. Or maybe even if there's like a group of guys, okay, they won't actually do this, but the context would work. There's a group of guys and a really beautiful girl walks by and the guys are like, Yowza.
Oh, so you can say it to girl too?
Because it's like a really impressive, ooh. Yeah, maybe a better way to say it is instead of just wow, it's like ooh, like impressive or like
This sounds very creepy.
It would be very creepy. So
Okay.
maybe that's a bad example, but that's the word, Yowza. Okay, the next one, I know I say this, and I know other people, Americans, say this. It is yikes. Like, yikes. I feel like it could be used in different ways, but usually it's like, oof, yikes.
通常都是用在不好的东西吧，就比如说，我跟我朋友说，哦，我生病了1个礼拜了，然后你的朋友会，哦 ，yikes，
Like, oh, that's really bad. If you drove by a really bad car accident, you'd be like, ooh, yikes.
yeah， 或者是如果地方很脏，就可能去个
Yeah.
酒店，然后酒店里面很脏，你会说，哦 ，yikes， 呀，反正很恶心啊，然后不好的事情啊，你都会用 yikes。
Yikes. Have you ever said that since you learned it?
我觉得有吧，可是不多。可是这个字很多人用。
Yeah.
对。
All right, the next one, again, people use this. I promise people use this. But I probably don't use this. But the word is bam, like B-A-M, bam.
You don't use it?
Have I?
I feel like this is a common one. Lots of people use it though.
How have you heard me use it?
I heard people use it for sure.
I feel like, again, you can use it in different ways depending on your personality. But if I've used it before, which I'm sure I have, I was probably trying to show off or be like, yeah, I did this, 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 and this. So bam, like check that out, right?
大水超多人用，我觉得。 比如说在学校，我们有一个数学的题目不会，然后一直跟我们的同学一起讨论可以怎么解这一题这样子。然后因为有个人呢，终于解得到了，他说 "Bam, that's it."
I could see that.
Yeah.
I could see that. Yeah, it is like, yeah, like, I'm awesome. Have you used BAM?
I think I have.
Probably in like a sarcastic way. Because it is like a goofy thing. Well, I feel like if you're doing it and you actually think, bam, I'm so cool, and you really believe I'm so cool when I use the word bam, then you're probably not cool. So that's probably why, if
so
you did use it,
you're joking.
it's probably, yeah, in a joking way. Okay, the last word, which I've probably used, which again, if I have used it, I would be embarrassed to use it now. The last word is Yippie!
I don't know.
Yippie!
不知道这是什么。
Wait, have you heard it before?
没有。
Oh, you haven't even? I don't know. It's like an expression of enjoyment, like, oh, this is so fun, yippee! But it, yeah, like a little kid might go yippee.
Yeah.
But it doesn't have to necessarily be like a daring thing, like in an airplane or flying through the sky. Just like something really fun, like this is so fun, yippee!
比如说你去迪士尼 and you think it's like really fun.
I feel like
Oh, yippee!
I feel like even if you're a little kid and your parents say, okay guys, we have a surprise, we're gonna go to Disneyland, then they might say yippee just from hearing it. So you don't even have to be doing the
really?
crazy thing. It's just like an I'm so happy, yippee kind of thing. Like when I married you, I said yippee in my heart. But seriously. So that's the last one, yippee. So will you use that from now on?
No, it sounds like a little kid. Yippee!
Yeah.
Do you have to do that? Yippee!
No, you don't have to do that. But if you're, I don't know, if you're a little kid maybe. Yeah, English has some weird noises that we make, but it's part of who we are. You have to learn them if you really want to understand American culture. Right?
Yippee! 好，什么其他奇怪声音你有听过的？如果你有的话，在下面留言；如果没有的话，那我们就下次再见喽。Bye! Remember 订阅。
Okay.
Yippee!
See ya in the next
Bye.
video.